2026 is ruled by Sun, a number one year of breakthroughs. And your birth number? Is it just revealed how you rise this year? Listen for your dates. Born on 2nd, 11th, 20th, or 29th, you are the diplomat. 2026 pushes you out of emotional comfort zones. No more people pleasing, no more confusion over clarity. Your collaborations grow stronger, but only when you speak up. Financial stability comes slowly, steadily. In relationships, honesty becomes your superpower. Old wounds heal, new connections align deeply. 2026 is lesson for you. Your voice matters as much as your empathy. 3rd, 12th, 21st, 30th. You are the creator. This year opens the floodgates to creativity, visibility, and recognition. Your ideas finally attract attention. Public facing roles flourish. For example, social media, communication, sales, education. Money grows when your creativity gets structured. Relationships bring more joy, more laughter, but also deeper emotional maturity. 2026 lessons for you. Your talent isn't a hobby, it's a pathway. If you are born on 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st, you have builder energy. 2026 brings order, discipline, and slow but undeniable progress. You become the architect of your long term stability. Hard work finally pays off. Expect promotions, new systems, long term investments. This is your foundational year. Relationships improve in stability. You attract people who respect your consistency. 2026 lessons for you. Your discipline is your luck. The number 5. If you are born on 5th, 14th, 23rd, you are the explorer. 2026 is fast, unpredictable, opportunity filled. You travel more, explore more, change more than you planned. Freelancers, marketers, communicators, this is your year. Multiple opportunities emerge. Money improves with flexibility. New connections will come easily to you. But long-term commitment, that takes conscious effort. Lessons of 2026 for you. Your freedom is your power. Use it wisely. Number 6. If you are born on 6th, 15th, or 24th, you have the healer energy. 2026 feels emotionally nourishing and financially supportive. You attract love, harmony, and stability naturally. Creative industries flourish for you. For example, design, art, beauty, hospitality, and education. Money will flow through collaboration. Love will deepen. Family bonds will heal. Are you single? Then a soulmate connection may arrive. 2026 lessons. Your compassion creates abundance. If you are born on 7th, 16th, or 25th, you are a seeker. 2026 brings introspection, spiritual growth, and deep inner clarity. You understand yourself in ways you have never before. This is a year of learning, research, and personal transformation. This is not the time for risky decisions, but perfect for inner work. You will feel that some relationships drift, but you will also feel that others deepen meaningfully. Emotional honesty becomes essential for you in 2026. Lessons of 2026 for you: work on inner alignment and it will bring more outer success. And number 8, people born on 8th, 17th, 26th. You are a natural powerhouse. 2026 is your karmic clearing year. You clear old debts, repair old patterns, and rise stronger financially and professionally. This is powerful for building wealth, real estates, business, leadership roles. Be cautious with legal matters. You attract mature, grounded connections. Emotional breakthroughs are possible. Lessons of 2026 for you: power without compassion leads to loss. Number 9. If you are born on 9th, 18th, or 27th, numerology defines you as old soul energy. 2026 brings closure, completion, and emotional release. You let go of what has served its purpose and invite new beginnings. A beautiful year to complete projects and transition. Money flows through humanitarian or creative efforts. Healing begins. You forgive old wounds. You open your heart to healthier connections. 2026 lessons for you: letting go is not defeat, it's evolution. Every birth number, every path, but 2026 asks one thing from all of us: stop repeating the past. Your birth number reveals how you must rise, rebuild, heal, or transform. Want your complete personalized forecast? There is a link in the bio. Your cosmic blueprint is waiting. Comment your birth number below 1 to 9 and I will reveal the one hidden strength 2026 is unlocking for you. Let's decode your year together.